Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to join the official Among Us Discord server in just a few quick steps. Start by opening your browser and searching for Innersloth Among Us official site, then click through to the Innersloth website from the results. The official Innersloth homepage loads showing their games and community links. Scroll down the page until you see the row of social media icons, and click the Discord icon to open the server invite page in a new tab. This takes you directly to Discord's invite acceptance page for the Among Us community server. On the invite page, click the Accept Invite button to begin joining the server. A CAPTCHA challenge appears asking you to verify you're human. Tick the I am human checkbox and wait while Discord processes your invite. Once verified, Discord automatically redirects you to the server onboarding flow. The Welcome to Among Us onboarding screen loads with a series of questions to customize your server experience. These choices help the server tailor which channels and content you see first. The first question asks what you want to do in this community. I'm selecting Play Among Us, then click Next. Choose which role color you'd like from the drop-down. I'm picking Rose, then click Next again. This color tag appears next to your name in the server to show your chosen role. The final screen asks which news updates you want to receive, so select your preferences. In this walkthrough, I'm choosing Giveaways. Click Next, scroll through the server rules, then click Finish to complete the setup and enter the server. You'll land in the main server view with all the community channels now visible on the left. If the Accept Invite button doesn't respond straight away, refresh the page and try clicking it again. The onboarding questions are optional, and you can skip through them by clicking Next, without making selections if you prefer to set preferences later. Once you're in the server, the channel list appears on the left side, and you can click any channel to start reading messages and join conversations. To change your role color or news preferences after joining, open Server Settings from the drop-down menu at the top left. Thanks for watching, hope this helped.